Here are some awesome tricks. 1. Use YouTube using keyboard only. Just add lean back at the end of as shown in the pic. You will be redirected to YouTube TV, in which you will be able to select and play videos using your keyboard only. 2. Wanna make your YouTube drunk? Type this in YouTube search. Use the force loop without quotes. In the pic you see the missing U in the search, that because after hitting enter YouTube is behaving like a drunk person. 3. Make your YouTube colorful. Just type Doge meme. 4. Add GIF before YouTube to convert video to images. You will be redirected to a GIF maker where you will be able to choose length of the GIF. 5. YouTube shortcuts. Too tired of using mouse? Here are some YouTube shortcuts that will ease out your pain. Press F to view the video in full screen mode. To pause a video, press K. To skip 10 seconds back and forward, press J and L respectively. Press M to toggle mute. Shift plus greater than key will increase the playback speed. Shift plus less than will decrease it. Toggle captions using C number keys to jump to the respective percentage of the video. Press B for changing the background of the subtitles. 6. Instead of watching the YouTube videos on full screen, watch it on a new tab just as you view websites on your browser. When the video is playing in full screen mode, we won't be able to do any other task unless we exit from the full screen mode. Watching videos on new tab gives us the freedom to do other tasks. 7. Start YouTube video at a specific time by adding T equals time you want your YouTube video to start from. For example, if you want to start the video at 2 minutes 2 seconds, then add T equals 2 meters 2. Below is an example of starting the video at 3 minutes. 8. Replace YouTube with NSF YouTube and paste it in your address bar to bypass age restriction. 6. Disable ads on YouTube. To disable ads on YouTube, open any YouTube video and then open Developers Console. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus J in Chrome and Ctrl plus Shift plus K in Firefox. Copy and paste this code give below inside the console and press enter and then close the console. The next time you open any video, you won't see any ad. 10. Replace YouTube with Listen on Repeat in the URL and paste it in your address bar and press enter to repeat the video automatically. You will be redirected to new website Listen on Repeat website to repeat videos. Else right click on the video and select the loop option. Much easier. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel for more information.